Today we're going to take Ilford Delta 100 out of the box, load it in a couple cameras, and then I'm going to show you some sample photos taken with this film so you know what to expect. As a note, Delta 100 is my favorite black and white film. This is an incredible film stock. We're going to open the box and tear off the tab. Make sure that we only have the one tab. We tear off the tab so that if your camera has a film memo holder like this, we can just slide the tab right into the memo holder, and then you know what type of film you're using while you're taking photos. We're going to remove the plastic tub from the box and the film from the tub. And here's our roll of Delta 100. To load a camera that has an automatic film advance, all we have to do is open up the back of the camera, drop the cassette into the cassette chamber, and pull out a leader and line up the leader with the end of the leader here with the orange index on that side. Close the back and the film will either automatically advance or do so when we push the shutter button. Some film cameras that have an automatic advance also have a DX code reader in them so that the camera knows what speed film you're using. Here's the DX code on your 35mm cassette. This camera does not have that, so you will need to manually set your film speed when you load it. This is a 100 ISO film. ISO and ASA are the same number. To load a camera that has a manual film advance like this one does, we're going to start by opening up the back of the camera. We're going to drop the film into the cassette chamber and push the forks back into place. Pull out a leader and slide it into the take-up spool on this side here. Put our finger over the sprocket here and advance. Now we can close the back of the camera. Advance now to frame 1 and remember to set your film speed to 100. And now here are sample photos taken with Ilford Delta 100.